In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit an invoice template in QuickBooks Online. If you're looking to give your invoices a personal touch or simply need to update them with new information, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. With a few simple clicks, you'll be able to customize your invoices to suit your business needs. Let's dive into it. Firstly, open your QuickBooks Online account and take note of the familiar interface. At the top right corner, you'll notice the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to various customization options within QuickBooks, and it's where we'll start today. Click on the gear icon, which will open a drop-down menu filled with settings and options tailored to different QuickBooks features. Among these options, look for Custom Form Styles. Selecting this will bring you to a page dedicated to all the forms you can customize, including invoices, sales receipts, and estimates. This section is crucial for businesses that want to maintain their unique branding and style consistently across all customer-facing documents. Next, you'll see a list of template styles displayed. Browse through this list to find the specific invoice template you wish to edit. Once you've located it, you'll notice an Edit button alongside the template. Click on this button, which will open the editing interface. Now you're at the heart of personalization. This is where you have the freedom to make any necessary changes to your invoice template. Whether it's adjusting the layout, changing the color scheme to align with your branding, adding your company's logo for a professional touch, or modifying text fields, everything is at your fingertips. The editing interface is designed to be user-friendly, providing a preview feature that allows you to see your changes in real time before finalizing them. Once you're satisfied with the modifications you've made, it's time to save your work. Review your changes carefully to ensure everything looks perfect. Double-check details like your payment terms, company address, and contact information to make sure they are all up to date and accurately reflected on the invoice. And there you have it. Simply click Save, and your newly tailored invoice template will be ready to use. The changes you've implemented will now automatically apply every time you generate a new invoice, ensuring consistency and professionalism in all your client communications. Making these kinds of customizations not only helps in maintaining a cohesive brand image, but also enhances the client's experience by receiving clear, personalized invoices. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has made the process of editing your QuickBooks Online invoice template a breeze. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or check more of our videos for additional QuickBooks tips and tutorials.